My goal is to alleviate pain and restore function, and in doing so, pass those lessons on to the next generation. Hello, I'm Dr. Thomas Dowd, and I'm a foot and ankle surgeon at Rothman Orthopaedics. One of the biggest and most important things is to just ask your patient, hey, what's the problem and what's the goal? Take me from where we are right now to where we hope to be, and then through examination, watching them walk, getting appropriate imaging studies, getting labs that are necessary, we can develop a plan together that, if possible, safely takes them to achieve their goal. And if not, I can help them navigate what's a realistic endpoint and how do we get there together. I want them to get back to the highest possible level of activity. I mean, movement is life. And so for the youngest patient to the oldest patient, the highest function we can help them achieve is my goal. And it's just important to make sure that we can do it safely and realistically. And I don't want to offer the moon and fall short. I want to underpromise and overdeliver for sure. When that moment, that aha moment comes upon them and they say, oh, I'm walking again, and I didn't think I'd walk this way, or I didn't think I'd have the absence of pain. It's a distant memory now. That aha moment really is exciting to be part of. It's the greatest feeling in the world. If you're suffering from ankle arthritis, an ankle fracture, or an Achilles rupture, I'd be honored to see you. To book an appointment with me, Dr. Thomas Dowd, visit rothmanortho.com.